Recipe to make popcorn with pressure cooker. Heat the pressure cooker, add butter. If you let the butter get little bit brown, it will add even more intense buttery flavor to the popcorn. You can also add some oil. Once the oil is heated well, put the popcorn kernels in even layer. You can add some turmeric, which is optional. Add some salt. You can also sprinkle the salt to the popcorn at the end. The popcorn should begin popping soon. Close the lid when you see the popcorns popping. Close the pressure cooker without the pressure regulator. You will hear the popping sound. Turn off the flame when the popping sound stops. Remove the lid and transfer the popcorn immediately into a wide bowl.